Guys, welcome back to Biffa Tech Solution. This is Itel 2160. So we're about to face the keyboard button 7, 8, 9, and 0 that is not working. So we're about to do the jumper. So just follow closely on what I'm going to do right now on this particular phone. So if you're new to this channel, please do it to hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when we upload more video on this channel. So follow carefully on what I'm going to do right now to run this jumper for this 7890. Hope you all see what I'm doing, guys. So just follow closely. Follow closely. Don't skip. Just follow what I'm doing. And this is going to work for you. We have tried it in many phones, many Itel 2160, and it's working perfectly for 7890. So just be patient. Just be patient. Be patient. We're almost there. We're almost there. Also, if you have not joined our membership program, please join so you can get access to exclusive video on that channel. Yes, exclusive video on that channel that is not available to all subscribers or available to members only. So please do it to hit on to join the membership. So it does not cost much. So please do it to drop your comment as well too, so that we can get your feedback and this can help us to improve more on more of our videos. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing, guys. You see, I've run the jumper successfully. You see it, guys? Alright. Okay. So now time for us to test and see the result of what we have done right now. Do remember to tape that place very well so that there will not be there will not be bridging in that place. Remember to put tape under it so that bridging will not happen when the phone is on. Alright. So let's put the battery and turn it on to see the end results. Sorry guys. So let's see. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Sorry, it's just the battery just full off. We're almost there. So let's see the end results of what we have done. So there will be a playlist attached to this video description that will show you how to solve other solutions concerning Itel 2160. So please do well to watch those videos and learn more about this phone, Itel 2160.